Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 5a, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using a home screen as an example for this, so for me it's already open and visible, obviously. And once you have yours prepared, simply hold the power key and volume down at the same time. Oops. Try that again. There we go. You will have this flash along with a pop-up. There's your visible image with share and edit options, and after a moment it should just disappear. There we go. So that is how you capture your screenshot. Now once it disappears, you can find it in your Photos application. And as you can see, it's visible right here at the very top, screenshots. I believe if you have more photos, videos and so on, it will create at the bottom categories. So you can navigate also to album, and there should be an album called screenshots, where you will obviously find only screenshots. Also you can tap on the text right here, screenshots, and this will show you all the actual screenshots that you have on your phone. Now it's right now showing me significantly more because I think I have them being pulled from Google account. So yeah, anyway, from here, obviously you can tap on your screenshot and view it. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.